Hey y'all, it's Nicole with Living Well Properties, and I am back out here in the Grove to check on the trophy signature home that my clients have built. And this is the final walkthrough, so it is my favorite video to do. So I'm gonna flip this around and we're gonna go check out the final product from Trophy Signature. Let's go. All right, so as you can see, we've got all of the landscaping and sod. Really pretty. They're doing just a few last minute touch-ups on stuff. We have a final walk next week, but what a beautiful home. Okay, going into the front. Love this, so pretty, very modern. All right, so they have some cleaning that they're gonna be doing as well as just final touch-ups. But here we go into the foyer. Really pretty. And then remember, down here we have a secondary bedroom. They've got carpet in. So this is a Berber carpet. Kind of see there's a pattern to it and it's gray. Really nice. And they still have to put this dome light up in there, but that will be done. And then we've got closet rods are in. We have a full or 3/4 bath here. So you got the mirror, the lights, and it's a shower. Stand-up shower there. Further in, we've got the formal dining. And that's the garage and the mud bench. And there's a little coat closet behind there. In the kitchen, all the appliances are in. Everything's been painted. It looks so pretty. And they've got the vent hood. They're gonna finish installing that. Looks really, really pretty. They still need to put the kitchen faucet in. That's kind of important. And then you have the eat-in kitchen and great room. Oh, they got the fireplace in, guys. That looks so good. Really pretty. And it's low enough they'll be able to hang a TV over it. That's what that electric outlet is for. Really pretty, nice tall ceilings. And check out the backyard in a minute, but here we have the laundry room. Still waiting for that sink to go in right there. But you can tell they're touching up some paint. We got the master bedroom. And carpets in here as well. Looks really good. It's the same carpet as in that front room. Then master bath. The shower. Oh, that's really cool. That looks really cool. Yeah. And the master closet. A really big master closet. Awesome. And we're gonna go upstairs. Okay. Oh, this carpet looks so good. I really, really like it. All right, so upstairs we have 3 more secondary bedrooms, a game room, and a media room. So here is the game room. Straight ahead is the media room. They've got lights up and working in here now. They have a light. All right, and then looks over into the foyer. This front corner here has a full bath and bedroom. Same carpet as downstairs. Looks really, really good. Closet's done. Bathroom's done. And then I have not got a good picture of this in the other videos, so tucked behind the door and a cabinet above. And we're gonna go back out and check out the other 2 rooms. So we just have an extra closet here that's just shelving. And this room has a Jack and Jill bath, which means it has its own separate vanity. This room has the closet inside here, so these are really good sized closets. And then the shared part, of course, is the tub, shower, and commode. And then going on this side, we've got another vanity and the last secondary bedroom. And the closet for this secondary bedroom is in the room. Oops. Another really great size closet. Perfect. Okay, now we're gonna go downstairs and check out the backyard because they've got the fences complete and they've got the sod in. Looks amazing. Right. Okay, so, wow, what a difference this makes, huh? They've got it all cleaned off. Looks really, really pretty. The fence is complete. The sod is in. We've got the tree planted. I mean, it's not a giant backyard, but it's definitely big enough for a trampoline, a play set, maybe a small pool or swim spa. This is a really big patio, and then it the yard goes around the side here all the way to the front. So that's a really nice long side yard, and it goes the same on the other side. Okay guys, that completes this final walkthrough of Trophy Signature Homes in the Grove. If you're tuning in for the first time, my name is Nicole Roan. I work with Living Well Properties, and I would love to be able to give you this first-class service if you're looking to build new construction. Give me a call, email, or text, or you can even choose to Zoom with me. So click the link below, and I look forward to seeing you guys. Take care and God bless. Bye.